Hi friends, this year we are having presidency of G20. Lot many foreigners will come to India, understand India, see India. And simultaneously it helps us to grow our global footprint. Let me give you one example. Germany, with a population of 8.3 crores, have exports of more than 1500 billion. India, with a population of 140 crores, we have exports only of 422 billion. Can you imagine the scope if all of us get into these areas and try and think how best we can develop increase our global footprint? Second point, critically important, you buy things online. So you know what is e-commerce as a purchaser. What we better need to understand, how are you as an e-commerce as a seller? Can we export the goods from our district places? There is a new scheme coming. You can export it from your own district place using the post office post parcel methods. CBIC has already issued these instructions. So even if you are from a small place, you can think of starting exports, getting into exports, and for knowing all this, understanding foreign trade policy is a very, very critical aspect. Let me welcome you for such kind of program that we are planning to have, and we look forward to your participation in it so that it develops your career in a completely different way.